Okay, good evening, everyone. Hope you are fine. I guess this will be my first screen recording for you guys concerning this educative session. This is in relation to how to check plagiarism using Sakai, which is using the RCOM membership. So I did a flyer on it, and yes, still many people are still having challenges regarding how to, which is follow the procedure that I elaborated on the flyer. That is the reason why I am spending another time to also do this interactive video for you guys so that those who are having challenges can follow. So the name is Kobe Junior, that you already know, Obia Kobe. So I'll go straight to the point here. So everybody knows Sakai. So when you come to Sakai, all that you have to get to know is you log in with your which is credentials. You're going to log in with your credentials. So I might not be using mine because of the interactive because of the educative section. I'll be using an ID that I've already checked an RCOM session on it. So you log in. Okay, so I guess as network challenges, let's wait a bit for the okay. So the interface of Sakai will open like this for you. I guess with Sakai, I need not to educate you on the Sakai. Everyone know how Sakai operates. So what you have to do is you are going to go to overview. You see there's overview over here. So you simply go to membership. I am using a laptop, so that's why you are seeing the interface like this. But in case you are using a phone, you can just check the top right. There is a small buttons there. You tap on it, you see desktop mode. Then you convert it into a desktop mode, and you're going to see your Sakai view like this. So when you come to the membership, you beneath the membership, which is a building membership, we realize that we are having my current site, my official course enrollment, and joinable site. So you quickly go to joinable site, then this will open where you see JSPH 341, Sakai 102, Sakai training. So here you are going to see the RCOM. You are going to see the RCOM as one of them. Then you simply tap on what? Join now. I've already joined with this account. That's the reason why you are not seeing the RCOM here. But when you come here, you are going to see, when you haven't joined it before, you are going to see the RCOM here. So you simply tap on what? Join now. Then once you are done tapping on the join now, you just come to which is the top right. You realize that there's a small box over there beside your initial. Then you tap on it. Then if you join RCOM this semester, you are going to see it at what? Semester 2. But this account, I joined the RCOM on it, which is at the first semester. So you realize that at the first semester, I'm having RCOM over there. RCOM 100. So I simply tap on the RCOM. Then it opens the interface of the RCOM for me, which is 1018 status, non-operational. Once you see this, the next place for you to do or for you to go is tap on assignment. You tap on assignment. One very thing that you need to get to know, I guess people will be DMing me and they'll be like, I went to RCOM and realized that all the session over there has been expired. Please, RCOM is always up to date. RCOM is always up to date. So when you go to the assignment section of RCOM, you realize that we are having the first one, which is Plagiarism Checker 15 to 30th June. The second one is Plagiarism Checker 1st to what? 15 June. So it's always up to date. but you always have to use which is what, the current updated one, which is what, the first one. So again, get to know this before you can check plagiarism using Sakai outcome, unless you convert your work into what, PDF. That is the first thing that you have to get to know. Convert your work to PDF. At the University of Ghana, I've realized that most of the lecturers, when they are giving you assignment, the instructions that is attached to the assignment is your font size have to be Times New Romans, the size have to be 12. So take note of it. Whenever you are submitting assignment, get to know that let your font be what, Times New Romans, and the size have to be what, 12. So make sure that before you do this, you're already having your PDF stored. Those who don't know how to do PDF and others, on a laptop, we're having the which is the Word software on the laptop. Myself, currently, I'm having the Pro version, the 2019 cracked one. Those who are not having it, I have it on my laptop. You can connect with me and I will help you install it on the laptop. If you don't find me too, you can go to the distance office at Accra City Campus where you see Lazarus. Lazarus will help you install it on your laptop. So get to know that. The crack one is very good because I like it because even when you send me a document or something like that, I can just quickly send it over there and I will edit it instantly. But the other versions, which is not crack, you can't which is edited. So we will simply go to the Plagiarism Checker 15 to 30 of June, then it will open. I guess I'm having a bit. So if it opens, this is the interface that you are going to see. Get to know that you can submit as many as more documents that you want to check using a single checker of assignment. So when you scroll down, you see submissions. Then beneath it, you are going to see select more file from what, computer. So here is where you are going to select the very file you want to what, upload and check it what, plagiarism. This is where you are going to. So you simply tap on what, choose file. It will direct you to your laptop file manager. Then you look for the very work that you want to what, check. So let me see that this evening I did the documents. Okay, so let me check the first one, which is bride wealth and what, diary. Then I'll just click on open. You realize it will be loading. Okay, so it's done loading. Check the first one. The beneath one that you are seeing are documents I've already uploaded, but the current one I just uploaded is the last one, which is the last one. Check the date, 86 KB, June 27th, 2024, 7:48 p.m. So let me proceed and check it. So all that you are going to do is just tap on what, proceed. This page you open, it said alert. If you are ready to submit the complete assessment, click on what, submit. I will scroll down, then I'll click on submit. Voila, it's done. It says successful. Then you see this. All that you have to do is just go back to what, list. So I'll tap on what, back to what, list. It will bring me back to the assignment section. So what you have to do is just reopen the assignment again. That is all. Reopen the assignment again. So when you reopen the assignment again, it's going to open the assignment section for you. Get to know that I already let you know that you can upload as many files that you want to. Again, when you upload a single file to check for its plagiarism, sometimes it takes like 10 to 20 minutes depending on how operational the system is. Sometimes it can take within 5 to 10 minutes and it will come. So do not worry. When you upload it, just be refreshing your page and wait a bit. So let me tap on the 4 reports. The reason why you see 4 reports is I've uploaded 4 documents in this very section. So I tap on the 4 reports. So you realize that the current one I just uploaded is the one that you see with the inscription of what, pending, with the loading sign beneath it. but the top three, which is the 0%, the 4%, and the 100%, are documents I've already uploaded. So let me explain it to you. The flag indicates the perfection of your document. If it's blue, meaning it's very perfect, very solid and perfect. If it's green, meaning it's a bit perfect. If it's orange and red, then it draws attention for you to paraphrase your work. 0 means the document I uploaded is having 0 is basically it didn't actually get any plagiarism thing on it, meaning 100% of my work was actually humanized. None of them was captured somewhere. The 4% means that a 4% of the work I sent was captured somewhere. The 100% you are seeing means that 100% of what I submitted was captured somewhere, meaning 100% of the total work that I submitted, 100% of it is already submitted on Sakai or is already online, meaning you cheated. I find it difficult to always convince myself that lecturers basically sometimes take time to go through our assignment, because depending on sometimes like a course which is a UGLC course and the students are like 1,000, I wonder how the lecturers go through them all to check the assignment. So one thing that they used to help out is just turn it in, which is the plagiarism checker. When you send your work, it's being sent over here, then they check the plagiarism. So when they realize that you cheated, then they mark you down. So somebody who had 100% here having a red flag will basically get 0% when the when the marks comes. Somebody who had 4% means that a 4% work was captured somewhere. Let me show you how you are going to know the exact word that was stolen somewhere. What you have to do is just tap on the flag. So this one, I'm using the 4%. I am tapping on the green flag. So when you tap on the green flag, it's going to open another page for you, which is turn it in. Then it will be loading. The name of the student will show, the ID of the student, and the very document that you submitted will show. So here you scroll through your document. So you see, immediately I started scrolling through my document. It is actually, the red indication is actually showing me the exact part of my work that was captured somewhere. So meaning the red indication, which is the bride's family for the loss of her labor and potential, and it can also serve as a and de. These are things that Sakai is telling me that it was captured somewhere. Again, if your work is 100%, 0%, blue flag, you can submit it. It's perfect. If your work is green, 4%, 5%, 6%, 7%, 8%, and is green, it's also perfect. You can submit it. But when it changes from green to a different color, orange, yellow, red, meaning it needs attention, you need to paraphrase it. So you realize that this very work I'm showing you is having just 4%, and you can see that just this mere thing was a 4%, and I can submit it and I'm good to go. Let's check the 100%. The 100%. Let's check the 100%. 100%, it needs serious attention, meaning your entire work was stolen. See, the entire work was stolen. The entire work was stolen, meaning the entire work was stolen. So you need to go and sit down to redo the entire work again. Then you recheck it again. So basically, this is how to check Sakai outcome plagiarism using the turn it in, and this is how to get to know what the portion of your work that was captured online, and how to go and correct it or paraphrase it and submit it again for you to get a perfect work. So basically, as I started with, my name is Kobe Jr., as popularly known Obia KJ. Thank you very much.